Okay folks, this is going to be a quick video how to rekey a kwikset smart lock. As you can see, it's two different keys. This is the one that working, and I'm going to rekey it to this key, the bronze key. So as you can see, this key working, and this key is not. Okay, so simply put the working key in. You must have a working key. Turn it. Put it into this little hole. Press it. Take it out. You can move this and just put in your new key and turn, and that's it. Right. That's it. And now the bronze key working and the silver key is not. Thanks for watching.